Hi everyone, it's Buffy from Buffy's Flavorful Journey. Today I'm going to make some lemon sugar cookies, but I'm going to start out with the Betty Crocker Sugar Cookie mix, and that only requires 2 other ingredients besides the mix. That's a melted stick of butter and 1 egg. But I'm going to add some lemon flavor, some vanilla flavor, and some yellow food coloring. After all, I want it to look like a lemon cookie. But again, the flavorings and the lemon food coloring, or yellow food coloring rather, that's not required. So come along, let's get started and let's see how these turn out. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to be using Betty Crocker's Sugar Cookie Mix. And that mix only requires 2 ingredients. Well, 3 if you include the mix, of course. So here's the mix going. And 1 stick of melted butter, which I'm going to add after I add the other required ingredient, which is an egg. You don't want to add the melted butter in there with the egg, or it might cook your egg. So the mix, the butter, and the egg, that's all that the mix requires. But I like to add some flavor, so I'm going to add some vanilla. I'm only going to add half a teaspoon. I Googled lemon sugar cookies, and that's the amount that's often added of vanilla to lemon sugar cookies. And of course, you gotta have some lemon flavor, or you won't have lemon sugar cookies. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of lemon. So let's mix that together a little bit. I'm going to add the butter. And I'm going to add a little bit of yellow food coloring because I want them to be yellow for lemon. Just want to scrape the sides and the bottom 1 time to make sure everything's getting incorporated into the cookie dough. Unplug your mixer before you take your attachment off. Let me get this excess Well, not excess, but the dough that's on the mixer off into the batter. And here's our cookie dough. I'm gonna get the cookie sheet. And the cookie scoop. And I have my parchment paper already on the cookie sheet. Oven is preheated to 350. And it says to bake at 350 for 12 to 14 minutes. Let's see. Gotta rearrange this a little bit to get it to fit on here. These do smell really lemony. So into the oven for 12 to 14 minutes at 350 degrees. Here's the finished lemon sugar cookies. They cooked about 15 minutes at 350. Here's the bottom of one. I'll let you know in the comments how they tasted. Thanks for watching, and happy baking with Buffy. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.